Stop. Imagine walking in a straight line, past your city, past the ocean. You keep walking for 46 billion light years, past the last star, past the last atom of hydrogen. Logic says the universe goes on forever. Physics says space is infinite. But what if it stops? What if you hit a wall? This isn't a theory. We found it. Cut all power. Sound shouldn't exist out here. We are at the edge of the observable universe. The charts said there should be empty void. They were wrong. Look out the window. No stars. No galaxies. No black holes. Just static. The sensors are screaming, but the radar is empty. You feel it in your teeth. A vibration, like standing next to a high-voltage power line. You reach out to touch the glass of the cockpit. Your hand stops moving, not because of the glass, because space itself stopped. You didn't find the end of the galaxy. You found the wall, the physical limit of reality, and you are pressing your face against it. It's not a wall of ice. It's a wall of error. Look closer. It moves like oil floating on black water. Colors that hurt your retinas. Colors that physics doesn't have a name for. We fired a standard probe, Probe 7, straight at the distortion. It hit the wall. It didn't bounce off. It didn't explode. It deleted. Gone. Instantly. No debris. No signal. Just zero. Your compass spins wild. Your clock runs backward. Your stomach drops, like you just missed the last step on a staircase in the dark. The math isn't working anymore, because the code ends here. You realize what you are. You aren't an explorer. You are a goldfish that just found the glass of the bowl, and you are terrifyingly small. You stare into the barrier. It ripples. It reacts to your breath. It shifts and becomes a mirror. But it doesn't show your face. It shows time. You see Earth. You see every birth, every war, every grave, all of it pressed flat into a single line of green code. Then the wall speaks. It whispers your name in a voice you've never heard before. Your voice. You realize the horror. The universe isn't infinite. It's a projection. You aren't a traveler. You aren't real. You're rendered. And you just found the edge of the file. Panic dies. Curiosity takes over. You have to know what's outside. Override safety. Divert all power to the laser. We are going to drill a hole in the sky. Fire. The universe shakes. Not the ship, the simulation. Stars flicker out like dying light bulbs. The wall cracks. Blinding white light pours in. And with the light comes a sound. Heavy, wet breathing. Through the crack, you don't see God. You see a sterile white lab. And an eye, looking down with pure disgust. A massive hand reaches for the glass, holding a cloth soaked in bleach. We weren't creation. We were contamination. Sound. Cut to abrupt silence. Just clean. Glass.